Yo, what is going on, guys? Chef Teebull back in the kitchen once again. Today I am bringing you a fragrant chicken laksa, and if you don't know what a laksa is, it is a spicy noodle soup popular in the cuisine of Southeast Asia. It consists of thick wheat noodles or rice vermicelli. You cook it with chicken, prawns or fish. I've gone for chicken. It's served in a spicy soup based on either a creamy coconut curry or some sour assam. I've gone for the creamy coconut curry version. Really tasty dish. It's something that I learned a couple of years back, so I'm just going to recreate it again today. I've not cooked it in a while. So start off with your bell peppers, whatever colours you like. I've gone for red and yellow. Take the seeds out and then finally chop them into little chunks. Put that to one side and then move on to a nice juicy red chilli. So you can take the top off, pull all the seeds out and then slice again in half and then chop finely. The seeds is where you're going to get a lot of your spice from, so I've removed all of those. If you don't like your food too hot, when you come to use this chili, you don't have to put it all in. Of course, me, I'm putting it all in. Love me a bit of spice. So yeah, chop that up. Then we're going to move on to some garlic. I've gone for 3 cloves. So chop each end off, squash with a knife like I've just done, and that makes it really easy to remove the skin. Then I've chopped up a spring onion finally, and you want to move on to some coriander after that. Half of your spring onion is going to go in the dish and the rest is going to be for garnish, and the coriander is for a nice fragrant garnish at the end. So you can roughly chop that up. We used to sprinkle on a little bit later. And now all the veg prep is complete. We are going to move on to the cooking. Okay, so over to the pan. You now want to add your bell peppers, your chili and garlic, and half of your spring onions. Save some for a garnish on the top. So pour those in. You're going to lightly fry them in hot oil for about 2 minutes. While you're doing that, you can get your red Thai paste and 2 teaspoons of peanut butter. Might sound weird, but yeah, peanut butter, that's what you want. So you get those ready. You also want 200 ml of coconut milk, 300 ml of boiling water, which you will add a chicken stock cube to. Right, your veg should be now nice and soft. You can add your red Thai paste. Then you can add your coconut milk and your chicken stock, mix it all together and let it simmer. Now that's been simmering away nicely, you can add your peanut butter, and this might sound weird, but you want to add a little bit of sugar. I actually went back and added more sugar off camera after because I tasted it, I needed it a little sweeter, but yeah, then you let that just do its thing for 10 minutes and you move on to a hot pan with some oil to cook off your chicken thigh meat. So let that pan heat up, get nice and hot, add your chicken thigh meat, and just brown it up. Let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring frequently. Make sure it's all cooked all the way through. What I've done before it cooks too much is I've sprinkled on some lime zest, get that really beautiful fragrance of the lime, and a bit of salt and pepper. And then we come back in 8 to 10 minutes, check on it. Make sure you wash your hands after handling raw meat. And you'll know your chicken is cooked when it is not pink in the middle. It should be nice and white all the way through. Okay, that's at about 8 minutes now. As you can see, there's a nice bit of colour to it. That's going to be put to one side, and we're going to move back to the pan of LAKSA and start to add our noodles. So the chicken is now resting on the side on a plate. Let this continue boiling. Add 2 nests of egg noodles. I say 2 nests, that's basically 1 per person. This dish is for about 2 people. So give them another 8 or so minutes. They'll get nice and soft, and you can mix them in. Stir it all in together. This is where you want to taste your food. Add salt, pepper, or more sugar if you feel it needs it. There, we've gone back to the wok, add the chicken and the noodles and LAKSA sauce. Stir it in all together. At this point, if you wanted it a little looser and a bit more soupy, you can add a splash of water, give it a good stir, and now it's time to plate up, baby. So there we have it. Beautiful, fragrant chicken LAKSA. Really easy dish. You can swap out your chicken for prawns, which is also really tasty. I love that. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. I enjoyed eating it. I enjoyed making it. Turned out really nice. So I've gone for this huge bowl, which you can just finish off with the rest of your spring onions, squeeze of lime juice, your coriander. Put it in, it's in that massive bowl. You can just go slap that on the table. A couple of bowls for everyone, and they can dig in, help themselves. But guys, if you've made it this far, I hope you enjoyed it. Smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, turn on that notification bell, and you'll be able to keep up with everything I upload in the future. Appreciate it. Have a good one, guys. Peace out.